When we think about frameworks, the first things that come to mind are the general systems we have. We start thinking about macrosystems for global AI policy. For example, equity lens systems, tools and analyses that we use across the whole organization. Then come the international standards for educational leaders, such as ISTE and ASCD. From there, we start thinking about the microsystem, where we look at the national view of technological advancements, or even the school-level strategies we want to implement. Here, the ISTE standards for coaches come into play, guiding how coaching supports these strategies. From there, we move on to educator growth and learner success, and the bridge between them. For educator growth, we think about the UNESCO AI Competency Framework for Teachers and the AI Literacy Framework by the European Commission, frameworks that help teachers teach AI, about AI, and through AI. The ISTE standards for educators also fit here, aligning teaching practice with international benchmarks and elevating both instruction and professional growth. As for learner success, we consider the UNESCO AI Competency Framework and the AI Literacy Framework, both designed to help students learn, engage, and create with AI. The ISTE standards for students also play a major role, helping learners actively engage in learning, become responsible digital citizens, and develop essential 21st century skills. Then comes the question, what about other frameworks? When we bridge practice with outcomes, this is where frameworks such as Bloom's Digital Taxonomy, PICRAP Matrix, SAMR Model, TIM Matrix, TPACK, UDL, Design Thinking, TLPs, IB's Technology Learning Pathways, and Multimodality come in. These frameworks help connect what educators do to grow professionally with the outcomes that reflect learner success. Every framework is a stepping stone, and every learner's success is rooted in the courage of educators to grow, reflect, and reimagine what's possible with AI. This exchange between macrosystems and microsystems is what we call the SETI Framework, another framework that guides technology integration. And here's the takeaway. Frameworks don't limit us. They empower us. They help us see the big picture while taking meaningful steps in our local contexts. When educators and learners grow together through AI, reflection, and innovation, transformation becomes inevitable. Thank you for listening. And remember, every step forward in education begins with the courage to rethink, redesign, and reimagine learning.